Here's how to upload data into Google BigQuery. First of all, go to your search engine and type in Google Sandbox. And then find the BigQuery using the sandbox, select this, and then on this page you want to go to BigQuery. You'll then land here where we'll need to create a project. Now for those of you new to BigQuery or SQL environment altogether, the data is organised at different levels. In BigQuery you have project, followed by your datasets, and then underneath your datasets you've got various tables. So if we go back and select create project, you want to give it a name that's relevant to the data you're using. So my data is on Star Wars, so I'll just stick with a Star Wars project. And once you create this, it will also allocate a unique project ID, which you won't be able to change after you've created it. So now you can see it's here on the left in addition to at the top, followed by various things underneath. But what we want to do now is create our dataset underneath this project. So if you go to the three dots, hit create dataset, and then once again, give it a name that's relevant. So I'll just stick with Star Wars dataset here. And then you just want to select create dataset. And then you'll see it pop up once again on the left here underneath project. Now the final step is to create our tables. So we click the three dots, create table, and then here there are various ways to upload data into BigQuery, but for this instance we're just going to upload a CSV. So you just want to hit upload, navigate to where your CSV is saved, select it, and then once again give it a relevant name. So this particular CSV is on the characters of Star Wars, so I'll just call it characters. And then you also want to select this auto detect under schema, and that will just ensure that the data takes all the kind of names and data structures. Once you've created that, you'll then be able to see your table under the dataset. So here I can see characters under Star Wars dataset. If I select this, you'll then be able to see the column names with the corresponding data types. And you can also select the details. Here you can see like the table ID and other information. And if you select the preview tab, you can see what the whole table looks like. And that's it, everything you need to know in order to upload data into BigQuery.